Today I'm excited to bring you one of our new listings. So this is a condo in Macomb Township. It is a story and a half, and what's unique about it is you actually have 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, with an extra flex space in the basement. So you've got the 2-car garage, you've got a truck deck, you really have all the features that you're looking for in a maintenance-free lifestyle. The great thing is that it's located in Chippewa Valley Schools. So let me break down some of the features for you. When you enter the home, you're going to see it's really got a great open floor plan.
Here we are in the kitchen, one of my favorite parts of this condo. It's great for entertaining. So the kitchen is open to the great room, which means you could go party, have family, friends over, but this is one of my favorite parts, is this L-shaped island, because you can set up for food, it's great for parties, and really just gathering, which is what the kitchen is all about. This kitchen is beautiful. You've got a great pantry, you've got a nook area, and what I love is you've got a bay window, so you've got lots of light between there and the great room. One of the most important things in a condo is having that natural cross light so it's not dark, and this one is spectacular.
You do have a pantry located off the kitchen, which is really great. And right off of there, you do have a first floor laundry. Gotta love that. So as we head into the great room, you're gonna see it's a 2-story great room. And really what's nice about it is you've got nice tall windows around the fireplace with an added touch with shutters on each side. And then the staircase goes up and L-shaped around, but you've got the wrought iron spindles, which keeps it open and airy, and really a beautiful look. Now we're going to come into the owner's suite on the first floor. And in the owner's suite, you've got a vaulted ceiling with nice big windows. Again, lots of natural light, so it doesn't feel like a dark condo, because this is a duplex and you are having it. The owner's suite has right off of it a nice big bathroom. You've got double sinks, and then you've got this walk-in shower. In the walk-in shower, you kind of go in and around, so you have to check it out, and you will see that there is a seat there in the shower, all tiled, all beautiful. So let's head upstairs. Upstairs, you're going to have 2 bedrooms. They're both great sizes. And one, I love the rounded window. You've got a full bath, and you also have a great loft area. So here, this owner has a piano there, but you could really use the space in a lot of different ways. As we head down to the finished basement, you're going to see that you've got an egress window, and you've got another great, it could be a family room, it could be an office, really could be a lot of different places. But wait, when you open one door, step on in, and you've got another, now they've got a bed set up there. It could be an office, a workspace, or work from home. If you have an older child, you can use that flex space downstairs, because down the hallway is a full bath, and they did a beautiful walk-in shower. So this owner, when they finished the basement, they really did a spectacular job. You'll notice the way they finished it, that they have multiple closets going down the hallway, and they have different storage units inside of there, and then you still have storage space. So with a story and a half, you're going to have a larger basement, so you get lots of space. So you're going to have a lot of usable space, over 2,000 square feet of usable space. Off the back, they have a truck deck, and the truck deck is all maintenance-free, which makes it even better, really completes the maintenance-free living. So one of the best things about condo living is maintenance-free, right? Well, there's a truck deck here, and the benefit of the truck deck means that you're not going to have the maintenance. So no painting or anything like that with wood deck. Truck deck is great. Look at how much space you have. You can sit back here, relax, make a cup of coffee, and just enjoy life. So on the truck deck, it's great size, and off the back, you have an open space behind you. So here, you're going to have the convenience of no maintenance, snow removal, taking care of your landscaping. All of those things are taken care of you. Their association fee is low, and the great thing is we're located in Macomb Township. So if you're not aware of this, Macomb Township actually has low taxes. So it's a great place to live, and yet we're in Chippewa Valley School District. So you are in the north end of the district, so you're in Dakota High School, Seneca Middle School. So you've really got a great school district if you're needing the schools. Your convenient location to jump into shopping, highway access, restaurants, fine dining, everything around. Macomb Township is really a great place to live. I live here myself, raised my family here. You have the rec center, you have convenient location to St. Clair Shores and the lakes nearby, if you enjoy that. You can head over to Rochester. You can head to downtown Detroit if you want to check out some of the venues. We were at a Tigers game over the weekend, so it's really a great location where you can quickly go everywhere. But as you can see in here, it's very quiet where we are. So come and check out the house. You're going to love it.